I think it's important to be an example that we cannot be silenced. Oh, it doesn't matter. We will keep going. It won't be me. It will be someone else. And this is I think this is how we remain human. Into this. I also think that these measures, these sanctions, have somewhat crossed the line, and I hope that member states will find a way to keep on protecting me, because frankly it's not easy to continue doing what I'm doing, but I do because I also, both because this is a mandate I deeply honor. I think it's necessary these days, given what the huge suffering and sacrifice that the Palestinians are taking upon themselves, but also because I think it's important to be an example that we cannot be silenced. Oh, it doesn't matter. We will keep going. It won't be me. It will be someone else. And this is I think this is how we remain human. Into this. Now, if these member states decided that there is a provision in the 1946 Convention of Privileges and Immunities that makes its violations a sort of self-executing. There could be action taken domestically or before the International Court of Justice. So, for example, the General Assembly, it could be either a state or the General Assembly referring the case to the International Court of Justice for an assessment of whether the United States have violated my privileges and immunities, and which is pretty obvious. And also make sure that any private actor or entity, being there arms manufacturers or companies producing goods and services or parts of the supply chains, banks, pension funds, and even universities and charities, stop being complicit with the crimes that Israel commits, because there are so many entities directly linked, contributing to and even causing human rights violations and even crimes. I mean, the 48 companies I have entities I mentioned in my report, they're just illustrative. They're not even the tip of the iceberg. They are illustrative of a system which must be dismantled. And so there is so much to do on this front that I don't want anyone to waste the precious time with other issues. History will prove who's been on the right side over the past months. Both Israel